Hello everyone, I'm starting a new project. It's a Hyundai Getz and it looks like this. The vehicle is a 2007 production. The engine is 1.4, 5-speed automatic gearbox. It came to us in this condition after the accident. The main task is turn this into that. And this into that. So let's get started. The right quarter of the car was replaced. Welding here, here, a long cut from bottom, and welding here. So what's next? There's actually nothing of the car's interior here. The dashboard is still in one piece, and that's a big plus. No handles. No both fenders. The front only has a hood. The hood was broken right here. No headlights. The car has no doors on the right side and no doors at the back. There is a big dent in the roof. And the rear bumper has to be found. The taillights are also gone. On the left-hand side of the car, someone was trying to repair the rusty seal, but something went wrong. Plus one more rust hole. It's time to go inside. The car is small, but there is plenty of room. But that's because there's nothing here. The whole interior has to be searched. We have a stylish driver's seat, but I think we'll have to replace it with the original one. The media console looks undamaged and just needs cleaning. And the car's body doesn't look bad either. Now the dashboard. There's some rubbish in the glove box. The dashboard is dirty, very dirty. The steering wheel is in a good condition, but the center section with the airbag is missing. And, of course, the whole dashboard has to be scrubbed. So, what do we have? The dashboard is in a good condition. No seats apart from the driver's seat. The interior is completely missing. Some parts are completely rusted. The doors on the left side are there and in pretty good condition. Just need to find the door trims. Now look at this. The floor has been wet for a long time. The carpet is moldy and the metal parts are rusted. This is all that's left on the gear knob. But there is a fuel tank, and it looks as if it's still intact. A nice bonus is the power window control unit, dirty but intact. The next door is in the same condition and also has no door trim. That's not all, of course. There are a lot of other little things that I will be fixing step by step. If you are interested in following the restoration of this car, please subscribe to the channel and support me with a like. I need your advice and recommendations. Thanks for watching and see you next time.